Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm coming to you quickly here because I wanted to do a quick video. And I wanted to do a quick video of a new traffic provider or a new solo app provider that I've been testing out for some weeks now. And I wanted to test this out because I wanted to see basically the results, to see if something that I could recommend to you guys, those that are watching my videos. So I want to say that if it's your first time here on my channel, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. This is, again, Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. If you're new to this channel, this is all about an entrepreneur. So if you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, internet marketing, direct sales, or home business entrepreneur, then you're at the right channel. On this channel, of course, I want to share some things and some tips and some tools and some tricks and maybe some systems that can help you grow in your business, things that I've actually been working in my own business that I think will work in your business. So today I'm talking about Jaszdeep's solo ads, and man, I'm first of all I'm very impressed with the traffic that I've been getting from Jaszdeep's for his solo ads. I've basically been running them to my affiliate marketing offers to generate leads, and so far I'm happy with it. And I've been running it probably about 3 or 4 weeks now, but I've done enough tests to see the quality of his traffic and the kind of leads that it's adding to my list. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to recommend Jaszdeep Solo Ads as a great provider. So just to remind you, if it's your first time on my channel, hit that subscribe button so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. So Jaszdeep Solo Ads. You know what? Let me do this here, but before I get started on it, let me play this quick video on his page so you can kind of find out more about him from some of his other customers besides myself. So here we go. I'll play the quick video for you.
I think it's the best conversion I've ever had. It is extremely good at helping people convert traffic, turn traffic into sales. Every time I buy clicks from Jaszdeep, I get sales. You know, when you buy traffic from him, you get sales. I mean, no matter what, I've been trying multiple offers, and no matter what, you still get sales. As I almost gave up on solo ads, I've purchased in the past and just felt like I was burning my money. But Jazz is an excellent provider. You quickly tell the difference between somebody like Jaszdeep, who's a true pro, and everybody else. Every time I deal with him, I get either great traffic or priceless money-making advices.
Traffic definitely stands out in the market.
I absolutely love Jaszdeep's traffic. Thank you so much.
He is hands down the best seller ad dealer I've worked with in a long time. He's awesome. His traffic is top notch. He's top notch. He's very communicative, very responsive, quick delivery.
Well, JaszdeepSoloAds.com. I just want to give you a big welcome and say thank you for stopping by my website. Okay? Now I just have one question for you, my friend. Have you been furiously searching for a reliable, good quality, and consistent traffic provider for your online business, service, or offer? But if the answer to that question is yes, I urge you to watch the next 250 seconds of this video to discover why that search is now finally over. You see, I've been marketing for just over 18 months now, and in that time, I've had the unique privilege to be able to build up multiple businesses and make them successful. I've been on global network marketing leaderboards. I've also earned tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. I don't tell you this to brag, my friend. I tell you this because all these things have one very simple thing in common, and that is paid traffic. You see, people always ask me, how did you get so many commissions? How did you get to that position? Well, the answer is always the same. I invested in laser-targeted, super quality, high traffic, and that's what you have within your grasp today, my friend. Right here, right now, on this page, that is what I'm offering. Okay? You don't have to take my word for it.
Jaszdeep. Jaszdeep Singh. Jaszdeep Singh.
Mr. Jaszdeep Singh.
Jaszdeep.
Mr. Jaszdeep.
Jaszdeep Singh. Jaszdeep.
Jaszdeep.
Jaszdeep Singh.
Get it from Jazz today.
All right, guys, so you heard a quick video about Jaszdeep on its site, and I will leave a link at the bottom here so that you can basically test this out yourself if you are someone that's into, that likes solo ads or that likes buying traffic to build your list or to help generate leads and sales for your business. Definitely recommend it. So for those of you that may not go out, go to the site really quickly. But again, I will leave a link at the bottom so that you can kind of look at it yourself and of course test it out if you'd like to. So as you see here, Jaszdeep gives you a little bit of what traffic is. Traffic is basically the lifeblood of every online business. There's no two ways about it. You can have the best offer or product in the world, but if you don't have people coming to your website, you aren't going to make any money. And this is what Jaszdeep provides. He just provides premium email traffic where you can concentrate on building your offers, products, and services. And he basically takes care of driving that traffic to your website part. So the really big goal of Jaszdeep, as it says here, is to provide the very best email advertising coupled with the world-class customer service. He specializes in driving quality, targeted visitors to your website while you sit back, relax, and watch the results come in. Yeah, I can say that this is very true for the amount of weeks that I've been working with him. But I won't go over this all together. There's some testimonials, more testimonials, tells you more about the traffic. Again, if you're looking for leads for your business, if you're looking for sales for your business, check out this traffic. Basically simple, place an order, he reviews your funnel, reviews your pages, reviews your ad copy, you get some results. He also gives you a free 7-day follow-up sequence, all of this stuff that you'll get. And again, the prices, I don't mind showing you the prices. There is a beginner 100 clicks, and there is a beginner $120 clicks. These $120 clicks, this is more so of a buyer's traffic. Here's the differences between each one, as you can see. But again, you have the link at the bottom so you can kind of look over this yourself. My advice, get this traffic. It's really, really good traffic, and it's really very responsive traffic. That I haven't seen this in a while. So yeah, that's it. That's today's video for you guys. Check out the link. Check out Jaszdeep's traffic. I highly recommend it. And that's it for this video. Again, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And again, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. And check out my good friend Jaszdeep's traffic. God bless.